I have this 2018 Ford F-150 and it has an awesome tailgate. It's kind of what I want to show right now. It has a soft touch tailgate, which is awesome, and then it also has this ladder that comes out the back end. Yeah, totally cool, right? Very nice. It also has this handrail that comes out and sticks up like this and that. So pretty slick, and that, really appreciate it and stuff. But one of the things that's happening, handrail that you can use to get in and out of it. So after I put the tailgate up, and then let's say I've got a piece of wood I got from a lumber yard or a piece of steel or something like that, and generally what you do when you're working and stuff, and you take the piece of wood and you drag it right across the back of the tailgate. Now in the olden days they used to have a plastic liner in that, and this isn't plastic line. It has a spray foam or spray liner on it. And what happens is that, and I've seen on other F-50s, 150s, is that it drags and breaks the edge off. And I just can't see me doing that because it's expensive and it's a terrible design. It has a spray liner on there, so it's not a protective plastic edge anymore, like a rolled over type edge. So looking at this a little bit closer and that, to tailgate down again, I got a piece of 1/4 inch by 3 inch steel, and somehow I like to mount it so it's permanently on there, and that way there things would drag against this instead of breaking off that plastic edge. So let's see what I can do. So now I got the tailgate down again. I removed the screws off this cover plate and exposed what's underneath here and that. And what I'm thinking of doing is taking this piece of steel now and putting a line up here. You can see where there's like a little passageway right here. There's one here and there's one here, and all the other mechanism for the ladder and stuff is in this area here, so I can't bolt anything into there and that. Okay, I successfully drilled some holes down on the drill press for this piece of metal here, and let me see, I'm going to put some holes in this brand new truck here. Okay, I drilled the holes in the tailgate, and I'm going to use 5/16 carriage bolts and bolt and nut it from underneath. Get this thing all cleaned up and painted up, and we'll put her back together. I cleaned up the metal, gave it a paint job, put the carriage bolts in, and I think I'm ready to go. I can only put 2 of the 4 carriage bolts in because it's very difficult to get around the one spot. I probably would have just put one right about here, but we'll give it a shot and see how it goes. We'll put the cover plate on now. The cover plate is now on, and doesn't even look like it has anything changed. And that's the main point. Put it up. Now the edges will be protected from anything I want to put in there. Put the tonneau cover on, and if it's really nice, and I think she's going to work out just great. That's all for now from Pageo. PurdyNeatPlace.com. We're out.